If you're a Google Enterprise Apps administrator and you forget your password, ask another administrator in your domain to reset your password for you. If they can't help you, or you're the only administrator, reset the password yourself by going to admin.google.com, clicking the Can't Access Your Account link, and following the on-screen instructions. When that's done, Google sends a password recovery email to the backup email address you used when you first signed up for your Google Enterprise account. Now, if you don't have access to that backup email account, don't panic. You can still reset your administrator password. Google will just need to verify that you're authorized to configure your domain name settings. This process, called domain verification, proves you have administrator access for your domain, and therefore it's safe for Google to let you create a new password to regain access to your account. To begin domain verification, walk through the reset password process described earlier. Go to admin.google.com, click Can't Access Your Account, and follow the on-screen instructions. Near the end of the procedure, choose the option to reset your administrator password using domain verification. Google asks you for an email address where you'd like to receive your password reset information after your domain is verified. This can be any email address, but make sure that you, and only you, have access to it. Next, Google displays instructions for verifying your domain. Do not lose these instructions. They contain a unique code and test URL that you'll need later. Either leave this page open until the verification completes, or copy these instructions into a file you save locally. The instructions explain how to create a CNAME record, a type of record that helps direct traffic on the internet. CNAME records are easy to create, but you can't create them using the Google Admin Panel or any other Google tools or apps. Instead, you must sign in to your domain name host, which is an internet service that manages domain names like GoDaddy.com or NetworkSolutions.com. After signing into your domain name host provider, follow its online documentation to create a CNAME record. While creating the CNAME record, you'll need to give it a name and provide the URL to which you want the CNAME record to redirect traffic. For the domain verification process to work, you must set the name to the unique code specified in Google's domain verification instructions and set the URL to google.com. Then follow the remaining steps in the Google instructions to complete domain verification. If someone else originally set up your domain or Google Enterprise account, you might need to ask them how to access your domain name host. If you've never created a CNAME or adjusted your domain name settings, we have documentation for some popular domain hosts that may help you. We also have instructions showing how to find your domain provider in case you're not sure which domain host instructions to follow. For comprehensive information on this and related topics, see support.google.com/a.